In this video, you will learn about branching. Because Git is a distributed version control system, a remote repository could be related to multiple local repositories. Thus, many people could be working on the same project. Git uses branching to manage collaboration between many people on the same project. Branching allows a collaborator to create a copy of the most recent commit in the repository so that they can do whatever they like with it. This feature makes it possible for any collaborator to work on any aspect of the project that they desire. To create a new branch for working directory, I'll use the git branch command. Hit enter, a new branch has been created. This new branch is a copy of the most recent snapshot on the repository. To switch to that branch, I'll use the git checkout command. This will check out the new branch, so it's git checkout new branch, which is the name for the new branch just created. So if I hit enter on the keyboard, so switch to branch, new branch, I can now carry out all the workflows that you learned previously. That is, edit file, add to the staging area, and commit to the database. Okay, I'll just make changes to this file and I'll delete git here, save the file, and I'll close that. So let's run git add file e.txt. So I'll run a commit. Okay, so I'll hit enter on the keyboard, and that's done. So let's push this now to the remote repository. Instead of master, I'll say new branch. I'll hit enter on the keyboard. Okay, so that's done. Let's go to GitHub. I'll refresh GitHub. Okay, so you can see new branch there, and that's the new branch we just created. And you can switch branches here, so you have master and new branch there. So if I click on new branch here and view file a.txt, it should not contain git at the end. Okay, so that's it there. Okay, so with this done, it is possible to send a pull request. Okay, that's a pull request there, so that the changes that have been carried out in new branch can be merged into branch master, okay, which is the main branch. Okay, so many people can work on different aspects of the project and send a pull request for the administrator, and the administrator can view the changes they've made and decide whether or not to pull those changes into the master branch. The master branch is the main branch. Back on the local repository, it is possible to delete a branch. But before I delete this branch, I'll just switch back to branch master. So I'll use the checkout command and git checkout. Okay, so I'll run that. So I've switched back to master now. If I open file a.txt, you see it still contains git. Okay, so I'll close that, and I'll delete branch, new branch. So I'll use the git branch command to delete new branch, and I'll run that git branch. I'll provide the dash d option, and I'll just name the branch new branch. Okay, so if I hit enter, okay, so I'm sure I want to delete it, so I'll change this to a capital D. So new branch is gone.